So I'd love to take a look at what Device Guard looks like in action. So I think you have a demo prepared for us in the audience.
Cool. Let's do it. Let's take a look at what configurable code integrity looks like. I've set up two computers here. On this first computer, there is no code integrity policy being enforced, so I should be able to run the files that I want. I can show you here the 7-zip application, which should run without any problems. I hit yes, and 7-zip installation is able to begin without any problems. And now to contrast, on this second computer, I've actually configured for a code integrity policy to be set in enforcement mode. So on this computer, if I try to open the same 7-zip installer, it should not be allowed to run. Code integrity should catch and block it. And right here, you can see this error dialog showing that your organization used Device Guard to block this app. Contact your support person for more info. All right, so now that we've seen what it looks like for the application to be blocked by code integrity, I want to switch back to this first computer where we are actually running a policy in audit mode. That way we can track and audit these events as we try to run applications that would be blocked if the policy were in enforcement mode. So let me pull up the event viewer here, and I can show you where these events are created and how to look at them. You can navigate to Applications and Services Logs. Under that, Microsoft, and then Windows, scrolling down to the Code Integrity folder. And the first item in this log references 7-zip, which did not meet enterprise signing level requirements or violated code integrity policy. However, due to auditing, the image was allowed to load.
So the idea here would be that you can actually apply the same policy in audit mode first, test with it, and make sure the apps that you expect to run are working, and then eventually put it into enforcement mode. Is that kind of the idea here?
Exactly. It's a very important step to test in audit mode before switching into enforcement mode.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Nate, and thank you to the audience. We'll be back in a few moments to talk about a little bit more about features of Device Guard and specific